Hey guys, we're back. It's been a while. It's been a long time. Yeah, my summer honestly is kind of went away on me. It disappeared. We're baling hay today. We're getting down to the wire here on baling hay. I think we're pretty darn close to being, I don't want to say done. Maybe a couple guys I can think of, but I don't really know. So yeah, this hay is actually our hay. We're baling up on this field. We are going to come in a couple days and spray it, and then we're going to no-till. I think no-till. But one way or another, we're going to put wheat out here. There's going to be 22 acres of wheat for next year. If it doesn't turn out, we'll make baleage out of it. Probably put corn here. So yeah, what the heck have I been doing up around? No need to look at me. Look at this nice alfalfa. Some of the driest hay. I shouldn't say the driest hay, but stop for a big lump. We actually, I raked 3 rows into one out here. So there's some lumps, but anyways, a lot has happened here. The new baler's been running actually really well, so we really haven't had a lot of problems as far as balers going down. We had to fix the other one a time or two, and this has had some issues, but nothing major. Nothing that's really stopped me other than getting going the first couple times. But anyway, so we've been baling hay. My grandparents that lived on our other farm across the field by our grain bins, they had bought in a house, gotta be pushing 2 years ago, and early this summer we went in and we helped. They redid a bathroom in there, so we did a lot. We cleaned the house. We cleaned the house out. We ripped out the bathroom that was in there, and they had that redone. The middle of July, I believe it was like the 15th or something like that. We moved them into town, and then my parents soon after that started working on that house. Took out a wall, just little stuff, put flooring in, stuff like that. And then this past about a week ago or so, actually, yeah, it was one week ago, they actually moved out. So now I've been working on my own house, trying to get cleaned up and everything. My fiance's been around and hanging up, decorating already. So just a lot of little things going on. I have a hired man now. I have one employee, I guess you could say. His name's Chuck, and let me tell you, he's a lifesaver. All I wanted was a guy to come in to run the grease gun, do some general maintenance, and just take a little bit of load off of me, and maybe run tractor once in a while. what I got is a retired mechanic that I mean, we're ripping everything apart. He can weld, he can, you know, he's got the experience to do damn near anything. So it's been really nice. He comes in a couple days a week. Nothing, I mean, I don't know what he's at, 20, 30 hours a week, maybe. So that works good. So I haven't, honestly, I haven't had a lot of shop time this year, so that's been good. But I've still been staying busier than heck. Just working on everything. We got so much going on. So that's been good. What else is new? We've started working on that goat shed. Finally, believe I discussed my plans for that earlier this spring. We haven't built the shed. All we've really done so far is dug the water line in. We put the water line in. We have our materials for the most part. We just gotta start whacking it up. We rented a excavator for a couple days, so we dug our water line and we dug some trenches to set our posts in, or to start getting our posts set. So yeah, lots happening. I can't really think of anything else, but I really like to try and start updating you guys again and get the YouTube flowing as we move into harvest here. It's been hard. I think early on in the season, after first crop got split just enough that we got really busy right away. We pounded out a whole bunch of hay. We had a little bit of time off, and then all of a sudden we got stuck in. We finished first crop, flew straight into second crop. We got into DNR. We pounded out the DNR. We did half our DNR. We got into wheat straw. Ended up getting kind of flung into the middle of something where all of a sudden we bought 700 bales of wheat straw. So honestly, I don't think we did as much custom baling of wheat straw. We didn't have any wheat ourselves this year. I don't know if we did as much custom baling of wheat straw. Lost a few customers. We lost a few hay customers as well. But we got into that deal, and all of a sudden we had 700 bales bought. And we sold, I don't know, they sold 3 or 4 semi-loads already. We got to get back into the swing of that and start moving some bales. I've been, I guess you could call it hay brokering. I've been buying a lot of hay, and not the past few weeks I haven't bought any bales of hay, but we've purchased hay by the bale. Any customers that had hay that they didn't want or didn't need, we bought it by the bale from them. And it's just, we got a shed, we got bales everywhere. I'll have to do a bale yard tour maybe tonight when I'm done. I gotta get these picked up yet, and get to the next job. So anyways, good to be back. Hope there's still a few viewers out there. We'll try and get some better more videos, I guess, out, and we'll see how it goes. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.